Hi, how are you?
Oh man,
What happened?
I need your help.
Okay.
I really do.
Yeah, what happened?
You know, I'm just so lonely in my marriage. My husband, he just does not suck on my toes anymore.
Huh?
I really need some attention. My husband doesn't suck on my toes anymore. I
Okay.
need that.
I got you,
Need
boo.
that attention.
That's the
Could you
first.
check out my toes.
Yeah, let me see what's going on. Why is it
wrong.
not suckable?
What's wrong with my toes?
Can you go ahead and put it away from my nose real quick? Let me go ahead and put it there. Hold on. Just go ahead and put the other one up too. Let me examine this real quick.
That's not weird, is it?
You know what? You wash your feet.
Well, yeah.
You don't sound very confident about that. How often you
Well,
wash your feet?
Every other week,
Huh?
maybe. Every other week.
Every
or
other
so.
week? You don't wash it when you're in the shower or anything?
Well, when I take a shower.
So how often you shower?
Every other week or so.
Oh shoot. Let me examine this real quick.
It's hard to get in the shower. When
Well,
you're
you know
my
what?
size.
Look at your feet. You just have a couple dry skin and maybe some dry callus. Maybe that's why the man doesn't want to put his feet in or his mouth in it. But let me take care, release some spirit for you.
That have foot fetishes
Oh.
and make a little extra money so I can get things done like this.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and I had a special request for silver, so you did darn good. I'm glad you had that color.
Really?
And now that you've got that special thing, you made my feet look so good. Thank you so much.
What do you mean you got a good deal for this? Like, what do you do with your feet?
I sell pictures online.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Do your feet look this good? You could do it too.
You sell these?
Well, look how good they look.
People buy these feet from you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Even with the arthritis on the toes and all
They
that?
don't see it that much. I make sure how I take the pictures.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that how you've been paying for your toes and all that?
That's how I pay for you, yeah.
Really? How much you
I'm not telling you because, we got to keep it on the down low.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well,
So thank you so much.
you like that, huh?
They look really good.
That's
yeah.
awesome. Well,
I don't even know what to say about that, huh?
Well, I'm just shocked. I didn't realize these feet were sellable.
So I guess I'm not going to take that as a compliment.
Oh no, take that as a I'm just shocked. I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
really shocked because I
You
didn't.
did a great job, and I got some darn good.
Yeah, I
looking
just
feet.
didn't expect somebody would pay anything for
Yeah, I
this.
didn't know either until I got into it.
Really? You haven't cleaned
That's-
your feet for a week?
No, so would you scrub them? I wanted to make sure.
Yeah, no worries. I'll clean
Thank
your
you
feet
so
for you. A
much.
lot of people don't wash their feet when they come here anyway.
Well, I'm
so
sorry that they
yeah,
do
no
that.
worries. I'll just clip it for you.
I've had some stomach issues.
Yeah, no worries. Just sit back, relax, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
Was that you?
No,
Um, that was you, huh?
no, it was not me.
Oh God.
And you know what they say, young man?
What
Whoever
happened?
smells it first dealt it.
It was loud. You didn't hear that? Okay, that was you, dude. What the hell? Oh my God! That is gross.
First of all, young man, you need to calm your little ass down.
Why are you
Right
keep
now.
gassing?
Right now.
Just use the
calm-
restroom.
Calm your ass down.
All day already, all day.
You-
I've been smelling 10 people's feet already. It stinks, gross, don't even wash. Now you're just gassing up my whole spot chair and I'm right, your butt is right in front of my face.
Do you know what you do for a living? So if this is what you don't want to do, you need to change jobs. Second of all, don't ever yell at this old woman ever again in your life. And my advice to you right now, because I know mine are clean.
Really like dirty and soiled.
No, the towels are clean. I just got them out of the dryer. I know they're a little bit damp, but they're clean. And then these are clean liners. Everything's clean. Can we start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are your files new? Like, do you change them out for every client?
Yeah, my files is brand new. Like every client I do, I throw it away.
They don't look new.
No, they're new, man.
That's white, but it looks dirty.
It's just the color. I don't know what to tell you. It's just the color.
Okay.
Yeah. But let me just buff it real quick.
And that buff is new. It looks like it's been used. It's all white and chalky.
Ma'am, these are pretty new. I don't know what you're talking about.
Pretty new, or are they new?
They are new, okay? What is your problem? You're making me very uncomfortable, okay? Why? You think you're very clean or something?
Yeah.
Every time you ask me a question if these are new, your breath stinks. Okay, I'm trying to hold it in right now. Because every time you talk, I don't know why, it smells like goddamn fish sauce. Okay, your mouth should not smell like no damn fish sauce. Okay, do you want a pedicure or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you gonna let me work?
Yeah. I am letting you work. I just wanted it to be clean and new.
Well, the last time I went, the person who did them talked about them. And
Oh, no.
I just don't want
No.
to be made fun of.
Look,
or
I'm not gonna
anything.
talk about your feet. I'm not gonna do nothing like that. You are in good hands. I'm gonna
Okay.
take care of you, okay?
You promise?
You in good hands, trust me. But let me go ahead and take a look at your feet real quick.
Okay, hold on. It's like,
Okay.
oh, oh,
Oh, okay.
here. What?
All right. No, they're cute. You have very nice feet.
I really like them.
They
you
look
do?
really cute. Yeah, they do. But let me go ahead in preparation real quick, and I'll get to you, okay?
Preparate?
Cause that
What?
shit stank.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just trying to protect myself because it's just part of my procedure.
Are you sure it's normal?
It's very normal, ma'am.
And the mask?
Well, the mask is just protect, like, you know, in case shit just goes in my mouth. But I gotta protect it. But
You're not gonna make fun of me.
never, I would never make fun of you. You are so sweet. You're so sweet. I got you, okay? Don't worry about it.
All right.
Yeah.
What the heck? Wait a minute.
What happened?
Is that necessary?
It's procedure.
I've never seen anybody wear one of those. Are you picking on me?
No.
Okay.
I haven't talked bad about you, right?
No.
See?
Okay.
I love you.
Okay.
But not your feet.